Hello, Dr. Eileen McCabe-Moucher and 501 classmates. My name is Jessica Budzak, and I decided to start my master's degree in social work because, well, I had a massive change in job and they offered tuition reimbursement, and my children are of older age now, 11 and 7. So I decided that now was the perfect time to start my master's degree, which is something that I always wanted to do. But in my former position, in my former agency, I was not able to do it because I couldn't afford it, and nor did I have the time to do it because I had two very young children. When I decided to transition from one agency to another, it was the perfect opportunity to do this, especially with the tuition reimbursement. I have been working in the drug and alcohol field for over 18 years now. I was a drug and alcohol prevention education specialist in one of the local school districts where I live. And I currently am doing the same thing, but my title has changed a little bit. I am a drug and alcohol specialist, and I work with the school-based department, our CSBBH, which is the Community and School-Based Behavioral Health Services. So I figured that would be another good reason to get my degree in social work, because that way I can help out and understand what our mental health professionals are going through in our BHWs. We work together as a fantastic team, and I get to bring in the drug and alcohol component, which is what I've been doing for most of my career. So it is certainly something that I am very passionate about. And I am working in a completely different school setting now. The school setting that I was in previous was a little bit more mundane. It wasn't as tedious or as hard to work with the students. The school that I am currently in now has a lot more of the oppression and the poverty and the issues that we are talking about during this class, and that I have already read. So it is going to be very interesting to learn a lot more in this class. Um, Thank you very much and good luck to everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video.